This is George Kosh. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit, and welcome to our Sponsor Connect activation video. This is a very short video, very easy to do. What you're going to do is you click on Activate, and what you're going to see is a little sign up area here, and it's going to get you to go to this place called Create a Free Daily CO Account. There's no strings attached. You'll go through the sign up process, and then you will have an account that looks like this. And I'll take you to mine, and you'll have an overview, sessions, and things like that. It'll also ask you for a name like this, worldprofit.dailyco. Make that up. It could be anything you want, okay? Joe Blow dot whatever, and it'll let you know. So probably write that down on a sticky note just so you have it. What you also want to do is once you get in here, don't worry about any of this stuff. Click on developers, and in there, I can't click on it because I don't want you to see my key. You're going to see a key, and you'll want to copy that, okay? And then you're going to want to go back into your area here, which is right here, and you're going to want to put that key in here, okay? It's a big, long key, long, and you paste it in there, and your subdomain. So mine would be, for example, worldprofit.daily.co. Okay, so that's it. Once you've done that, you're going to get a lot of credits. And I'll just give you an idea about mine. Look at my account. I've been using this account for one workshop, and I've been demoing and building this whole system for days now, like testing and video and everything. And look at, I've used 1,000 minutes of my 10,000. So imagine how many conversations and everything, and they give you this every month. Okay, so it's free. And the cost, if you ever did go past the 10,000, which I'm not going to, I'm doing 4 workshops. I'm doing like 6 demo videos every couple of days. I don't think you're going to do it unless you're in there all day long, which you won't be. Okay, so go do that, and once you're set, and you hit verify and activate, your account's set. You're also going to be asked, I'm not going to do it because I don't have another account. You're also going to be asked for your member ID at Worldprofit. That's an easy one. Just check it out in your member area. It should be right by your profile. Now, how do you get all this set up? It's going to be under the top menu under support. You'll see it. It'll say Sponsor Connect. And of course, it will be in your profile area. There will be a button that says Sponsor Connect if you want to use this. If you have any questions, contact support and we'll help you out.